Hi, Abigail. Today make Abigail 17 months, and there's a big snow. Yes. Hi, Abigail. Say hi. Hi, Abby. And we're just enjoying ourselves. We're gonna clean the snow, and Abigail touching the snow. Hi, Abby. Ooh, it's pretty cold, huh? Yeah. Yes, Pumpkin. Say hi. Say hi, Dada. Hi, Mama. Oh, Abigail eating the snow. Uh-oh. No, 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 Abby. You don't want to get sick. Alright, and this is our car. Of course, a lot of cleanings to do. And our neighbors over there. This house is empty. And our next neighbor here. And we just gotta go and start cleaning the whole driveway. Kelly's on his way to Chicago right now, and here and Abby and I, and we just doing the job. And we're just gonna keep cleaning until the driveway is clean. But we're gonna start the car and see what's good, what's cooking. Hi, bye bye.